and a good park. A park that gives us the vibes of Piedmont.
It has swings.
And swings for adults. And this wind, I think it's about to storm.
It's about to storm. If you look up, it's getting dark.
So, I don't know. But we found some swings. And
from work, the guy drove like, not a bad one, but he drove like, so these swings, like,
and she came home. So, we're going to swing for a minute, and then we're going to go get food. And I guess we'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, goodness. And you know your dad when he sees this video. Yeah. But is it fun? Okay. You like those? Okay. Oh, look, cactus.
They're so pretty. I don't know what they're called though.
Oh, are those succulents?
Yeah, but look, they're colorful. Sometimes
Cosmic.
sometimes birds would come in here.
Boldly going where no plant has gone before. They're pretty. Succulents. Very
Oh,
nice.
this one's more fun.
Oh.
Hello.
What happened? Just making sure she okay.
She's filming.
I'm trying to make sure she you can't, because you don't want people to think you're filming them.
Yeah, she don't listen.
Yeah. All right, help me. That's cute. All the orchids, like my orchid.
Yours is like that one, right? Kinda.
And like this one. It's also too, when people are nearby, you have to make sure that they know that you're not filming them. Pick us a plant. We usually get those. I mean, wonder if they have any.
I want the one I was messing with before.
How much is it?
I don't know if you have like water laws or it's so. Let me check. Are you a pig one? I want this one.
Yeah, we are. You want an orchid?
Yeah, let's go out there. So pretty. Like, let's go out there. Go out. Yeah, I know my
I hear you, baby. I gotta get my cart so nobody steals my umbrella. Okay, just let me. Okay, hi. So we're on our way to Sam's for the first time since we got to Denver, and we'll let you know if we think they have anything worthwhile.
I tried to look on the site before we came here, but I think it's better to go in the store and see what they have.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll do that, and we'll let you know what we got.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we're headed out. But before we go to Sam's, I got to get some gas because it is hot out here after that hailstorm. We were hoping it was going to cool off, but it is blazing hot today. So I have to run the AC. I just have to. Or my kids are going to have a fit. They might hurt me. All right.
Hello.
Hi. So we made it to Sam's in Denver. And what do we usually get at home that we are looking for, hoping for?
Cinnamon rolls. The last time we had them at home, they were gross.
Yeah, they went down. They used to be great. They're made with
They
butter.
were dry. They didn't have enough cream cheese. They were bad.
They didn't. The frosting wasn't great, but they are great. And so I don't know.
They're really good.
We had them like 2-3 times and they were great.
Yeah.
Like
about
they're
2
very
times.
addictive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if they have any of those, and we'll let you know what else we find.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll try those. Ooh, let's look for croissants.
Yeah. Oh, look at what they have. Frosted Flakes, strawberry milkshake. I love Frosted Flakes, so I don't know about the strawberry, but interesting. Okay, so they have the emergency food from Augustin Farms. Huh. And it has 92 servings, lunch and dinner, emergency food supply. And I'm wondering, should I invest in something like this? Huh. Taylor, look at what I found. I've never seen this before. Cup
Me
noodles,
neither.
breakfast, maple syrup, pancake, sausage, and egg, ramen noodles in sauce.
Nah, I don't trust. No, not that in a cup.
You sure? Look at her face. So we just got out of Sam's, and while we were looking just for the cinnamon rolls, I think we went a little crazy. So what did we get?
Oh,
So, what is that, baby?
broccoli cheddar
Broccoli
soup.
cheddar soup,
We got the cinnamon roll.
cinnamon rolls.
We got some croissant sandwiches.
Okay.
Put my phone up. Got a rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie chicken.
That was a good price.
Very good price. $4.98, I think.
Got some everything
Bagels. Everything bagels.
Got some dishes.
Mm-hmm.
Got some lemons.
Lemons.
Got some Starbucks.
Okay. For Alex.
Yeah, she loves Starbucks.
Okay.
Got some mushrooms.
Okay.
Got some tortillas.
Mm-hmm.
You can help Alex, you know. Oh shoot, my sushi.
Oh, did it get
Oh,
crushed?
got some sushi.
Okay.
Got some Caesar salad mix. Then we got some chicken bites.
I hope your dad likes those.
Yeah. Got some potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Got some avocados. Gotta make sure I eat them.
Mm-hmm.
Got some croissants.
Okay.
Got some milk.
Milk.
Pineapple.
Maddie's pineapple.
Got some Capri Sun fruit punch.
I don't know if it's good or not, so I'm hoping it is.
I think Joey likes it. I'm not sure. Got some spring mix.
Okay. Hold it with both
Be
hands,
careful with eggs.
because the top, it came off
Got
earlier.
some eggs.
Cage free. Okay.
We got some strawberries. They're a good price.
Let me see them. They're very pretty. Okay.
Got some butter chicken we're gonna try later.
Okay.
We got some strawberry lemonade salad kit,
Okay.
and then got noodles.
All right. Chicken flavored.
And
Okay.
then the last thing we got is some apple juice.
So apple juice. Yum yum. There you go. It's heavy. That's why I kept dropping it. So hold on. Let me
Apples
move.
actually make it crushed.
Yeah, you gotta. Let's see. do this like that. Move this over. And just trying to readjust this. Move. Put the chicken in there, baby, where it can sit flat. Because sometimes the juice and stuff runs all over the place, and we don't want that. Okay, now just sit it right there. Okay. And that's us. No music while we're doing this. Okay, so we just came out of Sam's. Put everything inside the car. It is hot.
Very hot.
Very hot. I had to turn the air full blast. See my little thing. What's next, everybody? Ross?
Oh, we're going to Ross, yeah.
Ross. Maybe a few things from Walmart or Office Depot. I'm not sure, but did we have a good time?
It was nice. Yeah, we haven't been in a long time. It was nice.
It was nice. There are some other things I'd like to go back in there and get, some baking things. So
We gotta leave before we brought too much stuff.
yeah, because the cart was filling up faster than,
Yeah.
you know,
Crazy.
we haven't been in a while, and you know everything. So you know we love food.
It was fun.
It was fun shopping with my girls, and I don't know. I'm trying to think, should I put this at the end of the video or
Now we're gonna have to try the food, right? Oh, that's gonna be a separate video.
right?
Okay.
So, thank you for shopping with us. If there's something that you get from Sam's, that's great. Let me know. We're also thinking about getting a Costco membership because I heard they have some really great pizza.
No, the pizza bake. I wanted to try that. I saw someone on TikTok eating it, and I was like, I want to try that.
Okay, so then we have to do that.
Chicken bake, that's what it's called.
Chicken bake. Okay.
It sounded good, but it looked good.
Okay, so let us know, you know, do you shop at Sam's? Do you shop at Costco? Are you a BJ's person? What are your favorite things to get for yourself or for the family? And thank you for spending time with us. And until next time, be sweet, be grateful, and stay optimistic.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Oh, we made it to Sam's.
Yeah, we're just about to go in. Like I said, it's still hot, but we'll see what we can get.
I hope they have the cinnamon rolls we had back home.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. 5 minutes. At least. Jonah said people like short things, so. Shh, Maddie. Really? Brooklyn. It's okay, babe. Okay. That was great. You know what? We got it. We got you. We got you. Jeez. We got you, honey. And we're not staying forever. I got you. I'm just going to try to get you to a minute. I know. Maybe the baby wants to swing. We're just going to get up to a minute. Okay. In 2 seconds. Now.